So for our lesson today, our mini lesson today, we are going to be talking about how to start our sentences. Some key words that we need to find to start our sentences with any topic. So first, let's start with over here. What are some key terms or phrases that we normally start with when we start a sentence? Can anybody tell me anything? So this would be the moment where students would engage, and the purpose of this lesson is for them to form their sentence structure just from beginning until end. So some sentence starters that we normally hear is I would be I. What about what are some other sentence structures? We are. Another different starter would be let's see, the. So let's create a story of that. So what sentence can we, what kind of sentence can anyone tell me out loud that I can start with the word I? Let's create a sentence. So I am going to school. I am going to school. So right here, I started with I am because that's what the subject does. I am going to, which would be our action, our verb, and then the place we're going to is school. And that should be a period at the end of your sentence. And then at the beginning, we start again with we are. So we are, let's say, we are going to school. Another way to form that sentence. I'm going to school. We are, that's our subject, going to, which is our action, which will be our verb, to school, which is our place. So when we're making our sentence order, we need to make sure that our sentence starter are going first. So I is one of them. We are the. Can anyone think of anything else? So you can begin with somebody's name. Let's say, for example, Miss S. ... And then we would begin our sentence. All right. So for this activity, you are going to be putting the sentence order. So a sentence is a group of words that expresses a complete thought. So for this activity, we're going to put each group of words together. So let's say, for example, our first problem that we have on the activity is was the game and interesting. Can anyone tell me where our sentence starter would be? So our sentence starter would be the game. If we started a sentence was, would that sound right? Let's think about it. Was the game interesting? Well, actually, that can be a question mark. What if we start with interesting was the game? Does that sound right? No. So the game would be our sentence starter. And then what do you think is our action or our verb? It would be was interesting. Was interesting. The game was interesting. So for this activity, you're going to be putting in the words together.